Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove mobile pattern lock on your Android phone. So if you use the pattern lock for your Android security, this is how you can remove that or change it into another lock or security options. So first you can just go to the settings on your Android phone, and then here on the settings you can just find the security options. Tap on the security, and here you can see the device security section, and you can see that the screen lock that I'm currently using is pattern. So if you want to remove it, you can just click on this option first. Here you need to confirm or draw your pattern to continue. Let's just draw it. And here you can see on my phone, on my Android phone, there are 3 or 4 options that I can choose to set my screen lock. There are swipe, pattern, pin, and also complex password. So here I'm going to just show you how you can remove the pattern. This is the current screen lock, so you can just click on the none options in here to remove the pattern one. Here you can click on remove again, and just like that, now the pattern lock is removed. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.